Student, after the transpose that I have discussed to you, now the new another program that is known as empty program. Empty program is not an empty that we're not going to have anything. That is not the thing. Empty means that you will going to have a what value that in a series. Yes, it will going to check the null value in a series. If in your series there is any null value, then that will be checked out. How it is? So see here, I have imported the panda as pd, numpy as np. Now I have taken one series, not a dictionary. Remember it, this is not a dictionary. I have taken a series of values, series of alphabets or the characters. Now how the series is previously we have shown, and I have also uh, given the example that say this is one series of a name, that means only the name will be there. Series of an age, only the age will be there. Series of rating, only the rating will be there. So what type of series I am taking, that pattern of values I am, that is similar type of array value I am giving there. But now you see here in this particular section I am not giving a similar type of values. That means this is a series where this is the series where do you find it that you will going to have a different part of values that are available there, in this particular pattern of series. What I have taken, I have taken the number first. See here, number, then this is also a number, then I have given np dot nan, that means nan means no value is been initialized, then one number, then one alphabets or combination of the alphabets, that means one word, then another number, then nan. Now let us run it. Let's see what it is showing to us. Okay, let's see what it is showing to us. This was the previous one what I have done previously, where I have seen the transpose function has been implemented. Now you see very nicely. So zeroth position false, value is there, check the missing value. Okay, s null, value, any value is there, what I have written, see here now nicely, s dot is null, any value dot any. That means I am calling two functions here, three functions here, sorry. One is null, one is values, one is any. Now these three functions, when I am calling it, what I am taking, at how many missing place is null, that is for the second portion. So first portion, is there any value or not? Okay, true or false, checking the missing value. Value is missing, no, value is not missing, that means false. Value is missing, no, value is not missing, that is false. Third place, you see in this third place what you have seen, there is no value is there. Okay, so since the third place no value is there, what it is saying, true, yes, no value is there. So similarly here the value is there, false, here the value is there, false, here the value is there, false. And again in the last place what I have done, I have given no value, np and nan. Okay, therefore there is true. So this is what the first work. Next work, how many missing values are there, that to be calculated. Okay, so check the missing value. Yes, true, missing value is there. How many missing value? I have given two place. This is a small series, not a dictionary. You can use the dictionary, that means you have to convert it into a data frame and then you can implement that. Okay, so this is a small series where it has been done using a small series. To place I haven't given any value. How to declare there should not be any value? So if you are declaring, in computer is declaring, we have seen it that those the places computer will going to declare the particular value as nan when I am converting the data series or data frame, and index and I am changing the index. All these things I have shown you in all the previous programs. So this is the 59, that means 60th program we are doing. 60 number of programs initialized, and without initialization I have shown you before of that many programs. So these are the programs what is I am showing you are the very important and crucial programs are there according to your syllabus, that is declared in your syllabus. So this is what is being seen, that is null sum, what to sum, add them. Two function is being called, s dot is null one function, is null is one function, sum is one function. Two function is been called, and calling these two function, what is been done, now add it. First position has been find, it catch that first position, then when it